Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside the Walgreens. As I said yesterday in my CVS video, I'm a little bit late this week. I did get back from Japan on Monday, so I had to push everything back a day. So Meijer will be tomorrow, and then Walmart will be on Friday. So we'll have some good offers, hopefully with Ibotta on Friday. And what else? There's a printable breakdown if you need or want to check out those deals that I have or that I talk about today. And we have a new spend booster that I've never seen before. I've never seen one where you had to purchase something online and then in store as well, so that's something interesting. I did put together an online pickup order, but I do have it at the other store, so we'll do that at the end and we'll go over it. And then hopefully we'll get the $15 in Walgreens cash when I pick it up. I don't know if it's gonna be immediate or how fast it's gonna trigger it, but it's already ready to pick up, but it's on the other side of town, so we'll do that at the end. Anyway, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not currently subscribed. I love to have you as part of my channel and be able to share all these deals with you guys. Also, don't forget to smash that like button. It helps me out and it helps spread my video so more people can see the savings or see some different deals they may not have seen yet. All right, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. So we have a pretty decent deal going on Olay right now. They are spend $20. You get $5 in register rewards. There's two ways you can do this deal, or you can mix and match, whatever. But Olay body wash is on sale for $7. So you'll grab 3 of these for $21. We have a $5 digital coupon. As you can see, it's advertised here. So you'll be left to pay $16 at the register. Get the $5 register reward for spending the $20. Then you'll submit to Ibotta. We have $1 back on each bottle. So if you grab 3 of the body wash, your final total after all rebates and register rewards coming back will be $8 for all 3. Or you can do the deal with grabbing the bar soap. So it's the same promotion, and we'll use the same digital coupon, so you'll need to choose on how you want to do this deal. You can grab 3 of the bar soap. They are on sale for $8. So 3 of them will total you $24. Then we'll use that $5 digital coupon. Your total be left to pay will be $19 at the register. We'll get the $5 register reward for spending the $20. Then we'll take a receipt and submit it to Ibotta, where we have $2 back on each bar soap, making the final price $8 for all 3, or buy 1 get 2 free. So Shea Moisture products are on promotion. Buy 1 get 1 50% off. Spend $25, get $10 in register rewards. The first way we're going to do this deal is to grab just 3 deodorants. They're $10.99. So grabbing 3 of them will be $27.47. We have a $10 digital coupon, so that means we'll be left to pay $17.47 at the register. We'll take a receipt, submit it to Ibotta. We have $4, but it's a limited one, so we're only going to get $4. But we'll get the $10 register reward for spending the $25, making all 3 of them $3.47. The other way to do this deal is to grab 2 of the deodorants. Next, we're going to come grab a body wash for our final product. So they are tagged as the buy 1 get 1 50% off, but it's missing the $10 register reward, but it is part of the ad. Now, I don't understand why this is here, because I was looking at this and it says there's a fetch offer, but my fetch account doesn't have any offer for at Walgreens for Shea Moisture. Maybe they're already all out. It is already Wednesday, so maybe they're already gone. But anyway, so you're going to grab 1 of these for $13.99. So these are the 3 products you would grab. Your total will be $30.47. We have a $10 digital coupon for the deodorant and a $5 digital coupon for the body wash. So you'd be left to pay $15.47 at the register. Get the $4 rebate from Ibotta for 1 of the deodorants. And then we'll get the $10 register reward for spending the $25, making them $1.47 for all 3 products. Amazing shampoo and conditioner deal. We haven't had this good of a deal in a hot minute, so y'all better be doing this deal. So the deal is on Garnier Fructis specifically, they are 2 for $8. Buy 2, get $4 in registry rewards. We have a $4 digital coupon for this, so you'll pay $4 at the register, get the $4 registry reward for buying the 2 products, making 2 bottles completely free. Now, Garnier whole blends are part of that same promotion, but there's a different digital coupon, and it's not that, it's still a good deal, but it's not free. So if you want to do both deals, remember you need to do them in separate transactions, but these ones are 2 for $8. Buy 2, get $4 in registry rewards. For these, we have a $3 digital coupon, so you pay $5 at the register, get the $4 registry reward, making them $1 for both, which is still a really good deal. We have a really good deal on gift cards this week. So at CVS and Walgreens, they are both doing gift card deals, but Walgreens, there's select varieties. It looks like the lowest on some of them are $15, I guess. I'm grabbing DoorDash because we use DoorDash a lot in my house, and in the ad it shows this specific one, so I'll grab 2 of them for $30 and then get the $10 Walgreens gift card for completely free. So I'll get $40 worth of stuff for $30. Now, the only problem with these deals, it doesn't say specifically what gift card to grab, and some of them work, some of them don't work, and it's never the same every time. So I just browsed around YouTube real quick to see if anyone else was doing this deal, and shout out to Kayla. This is the one she grabbed, so this is the one I'm gonna grab, and hopefully it works. Select Colgate products are buy 2, get $4 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $5. So you're going to grab whatever 2 you like, the other $5, and your total will be $10. We have a $5 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $5 at the register. We'll get the $4 register reward for buying 2 products, making them $1 for both. Here is a freaking amazing deal. It's on these Walgreens men's overnight. They are the largest size. They are now $1.29. Just in case, here's a good picture of the barcode for you guys. This is a phenomenal deal. I don't need any of these, or I'm trying to cut back on buying these because, I mean, they sell decently well for me, and I can mark them really cheap, so people are still saving good money, but I just want to leave them here for hopefully someone else. Y'all see this? Ball mix. $2.19. Ooh, that's crazy. Walgreens brand storage baggies are buy 1, get 2 free. This is our favorite deal. And they are $3.79 or $2.79 for all 3 boxes. We have a really good deal on Scott paper products, so you're going to look for the ones that are normally $5 every day. We have a $1.25 store coupon. It's unlimited, so that's how you'll know that it's a store coupon. And then we also have a $1 digital coupon. That's a manufacturer coupon for the paper towels, or we have one for the toilet paper as well. So they will be $2.75 for grabbing one of these, or $2.75 for grabbing the paper towel, or you can grab one of each. But remember, if you're using that store coupon with a spend booster, the store coupon counts against that booster. So a quick, easy way to figure that out, the final cost, what it shows the store amount, this is how much will actually count towards your spend booster, not the $5, but the $3.75, or whatever this price is. Angel Soft toilet paper, the 6 equals 24, are on promotion, 2 for $9, and when you buy 3, you'll get $3 in register rewards. So you'll grab 3 of them. They'll ring in at basically $4.50 each, so it'll be $13.50 for all 3. We have a $1.50 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $12 at the register. We'll get the $3 register reward for buying 3 products, making them $9 for all 3. Medium-sized Gain products are on promotion. Buy 2, get $4 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $9.99. So the first product you're going to grab is like a Gain Flings. Then you can come grab a Gain Liquid for $9.99. There are more products that you can grab, but for example, these would be the 2 products you would grab. Your total will be $19.98. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Flings and a $2 digital coupon for the Liquid. So you'll be left to pay $15.96 at the register. We'll get the $4 register reward for buying the 2 products, making them $11.98 for both. So this is everything I'm grabbing. I'm going to do the gift card and its own deal just to make sure it goes through. These Depends I found for $3.19 on clearance. I looked down the aisle and I was going to leave everything else except for these. We have a $2 digital coupon that attaches, so I'll pay $1.19. And we have $5 on Ibotta for this, so it's definitely a moneymaker and I can't pass it up at that point. All right, we're back in from checkout at the other store. And we're gonna make this pretty quick because I learned my air conditioning in my car no longer works, even worse than it did before. And it's actually warm out today. It's like 85 out and I'm sweating, so my hair looks really gross. So we're gonna put on my hat again. But I don't know what's wrong with my car. I've taken it to a couple dealerships, well, 2 different dealerships, and it has the right Freon. Well, I checked the Freon level like 2 years ago, and they said it blows the right temperature. Well, it doesn't blow anymore. I think there's an internal thermometer that's bad somewhere. I don't know enough about cars to know where that is or anything, so I'll just have to look into it more when I have some time, because that's what I like to do, is I like to fix things. So yeah, anyway, all right, let's go over the gift card deal first because I just did that one on its own. This is a hot mess. So like I said, I did the $15 in DoorDash. I don't know the lowest amount that you have to buy, like if you could get cheaper gift cards for like $10 each instead of $15, but I use DoorDash a lot, so there's that. So as you can see, the two $15, and then that rang up for completely free. So I got all $40 worth for $30, and then I got this $3 Persil, which is cool. So this is the gift card that you're going to be looking for if you want to do this deal. It's a free $10 way to, use a Walgreens. I would have rolled that into my second transaction and used that, but I wanted to show you guys the right gift card and the receipt and everything. Plus, it's not like it expires. It'll be here next week. Then for my next transaction, I did everything that I showed you in the cart. Originally I planned on doing just the Garnier and then the body wash or the bar soap from Olay, and that would have been the $32. But then I saw the Depends and I had to do it. So that's everything. So I grabbed the Olay, the Garnier, and then the Depend, and then we had the $5 digital coupon, the $4, and then the $2 for the Depend, $5 for Olay, $4 for the Garnier. So my subtotal was $21.19. And then for my final transaction, which is the Curbside deal that I did, hold on. So I grabbed, now there's so many different options that you can do for whatever online deal you want to do. I just did these because I think these were both only for you coupons. I'm not 100% sure. And then we had a store coupon. So I grabbed some of these razors. They were, I'll have it popped up on the screen because I took screenshots of everything, but whatever they were, this is the first item I grabbed. So I personally had a $10 digital manufacturer coupon plus a $6 store coupon. But with that store coupon and then any promo code, I would be under the $30 for the digital part of the spend booster, so the online part. So I grabbed these. I grabbed 2 of these. Well, the store only said they have 1 of each, so I grabbed 1 of each. And then I had a $2 off of 2 coupon for these. That one may have been only for you as well. I don't remember. But I had to make sure I was above that $30 mark, because remember, if you're using a store coupon or if you're doing an online deal and using a promo code, that does deduct from your total that you need to meet. So what I always do is you'll see your item product value, I think that's what it is, and then your I think it's like promotions or something, and you'll subtract the promotions from the total value, whatever's there, and it has to be, that's the number you'll use for your spend booster. So mine was like $30.04 or whatever, but I was above that $30 mark. So so my subtotal for this one was $18.04. Like I said, I was at the 4-penny mark, so I was over $30. Yeah, so let me check to see if it hit my account yet. It doesn't say on this receipt because it's an online pickup, but it didn't change the Walgreens cash amount from the last receipt. All right, I just checked. It's already on my account. But where you go to see the your like transactions and load the history, it has an error message, so I can't screenshot that. But guys, I did get it. Just to let you guys know, it did go through. And then I got the $4 registry reward for the Garnier, and then the $5 for the Olay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the order it went in. Unfortunately, before I went on vacation, remember I didn't get 2 registry rewards. The Catalina site sometimes doesn't load right, and I tried like many times to get it to like submit and everything, and I just ran out of time. So unfortunately I didn't have any register rewards to use because I couldn't get it to go through, and I wasn't gonna struggle and try to get it done while I was on the airplane or whatever. So that's my loss on that, but that's not the end of the world to me. Usually sometimes the Catalina site has problems with too many people trying to submit for like register rewards not coming back for like the same day. So usually I tried it the next day, but I would have been gone already, so whatever. So then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. I got $8 back. Yada yada. Everything worked out perfect in my favor. So yeah, that was an interesting booster. I've never got that before. I've actually never seen that either. So yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.